Finally unboxing my package. Yes, man. Oh, I love the box. Oh, it already smells amazing. My thank you card. Come on, focus. Oh, this is awesome. I'm so excited. So excited. I'm about to run upstairs and wash my hair. Put this to the side. Oh, look at my comb. Oh my God, I love it. Oh. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, my edge. Oh, yes. My edges brushes. Okay, and I have, let's see what I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let me show you the little. Can you see that? So thoughtful. All right, let's put this here. My sticker. I love it. Castor oil deep conditioner. Okay. The big one. Rosemary and mint shampoo. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Growth oil. There's one more. I feel like it's Christmas. Come on. Hydrating mist. Congratulations. I am so proud of you. This is so amazing. Let's see if I can set it up all here.